What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back for another episode of Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt, and I'm here to show you guys today how we're going to fix this here plug. So basically, I came out here the other day, I seen this plug here. Looks like a rat chewed on it. So I had one of my buddy's friends came over for a second to take a look at it the other day. And he basically recommended that I replace the plug, just cut the cord. He unplugged it, told me it was a fire hazard, but I kind of said fuck it. As you see, I plugged it right back in as soon as he turned around. But basically what we're going to do, we're going to cut this off. So the tools you guys are going to need for this here project, I want you to go in and you find the rustiest screwdriver you got in your toolbox. The absolute rustiest one. The reason for this is it will make you look like you actually know what you're doing if your spouse or anybody else comes out to check on you. Okay. Step number 2, you're going to need a razor blade like this one right here. You can go smaller, you can go bigger, whatever you got in the garage. We're going to need something to cut the wire with. Also with that, the rustier the better. That way it makes it look like you know what you're doing. You've done it a few times. And today, Eaton is not sponsoring this, but we're using an Eaton plug. Bought it at Lowe's. It was maybe $1.50, $2.50, something like that. And then we got the directions. Okay. Now I didn't really read the directions. I only looked at one thing on it. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So step number 1, you're going to pull the plug. You don't have to cut any power because the power is off now. I'm going to put this down right here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go trace the cord. Here's where our big cut is right here. I'm going to trace it back. See if there's any other dings or cuts in it up here, because we got so much cord to work with. The rest of it looks pretty good. So we're going to come back down to where that is. We're going to take our rusty pair of tin snips, snip it right off. Okay. So now that's all we need those for. Put that up. So now we're left with this here wire. So we're going to take our razor blade and we're going to cut back just a little bit of the wire. You'll feel when it hits the wire. Go around it one time. Sorry, the AC just kicked on, but I waited for 20 minutes to film this and damn AC just came back on right after it turned off. So you can see the green is in the middle, that's our ground. Alright, so sorry about that, guys. I kind of remembered that I should have looked at the plug before I cut it. But anyways, all you got to do at that point is look in here. I figured the wires would be listed, but they're not. There's only a ground wire listed, so you follow that wire up the back. This is on a water softener. And then you come up here to the top. So we know that this one on the right connects to the white. The one on the left connects to the black. So that means when we come down here, the right is white. So that's what we're looking for. That's literally the only thing that I read on the fucking directions, because that's all you need to know. Okay, guys? So now while Scooter McQueen here is getting this all trimmed up, basically you're going to shave these back a little bit. I'm going to put this back down. Get the hang on one second. Alright, we got Scooter McQueen out here on the scene. He's using our rusty ass driver to unscrew these screws. Like I said, we didn't look at which wire was going where in the plug, so like I said, you trace them back to wherever you're going to. It depends on what you're working on, but you got white on the right, black on the left. Follow it down, follow it around. Comes out the little pecker hole here, and you go right on down the cord. So we know right is white, black is left, green in the middle. We're gonna let Scooter figure this out here.
Oh.
So, moral of the story, you take your rusty ass screwdriver, best one you can find. That way if your wife or your old lady comes out, looks like you know exactly what the hell you're doing. There ain't no question about it. We had our fancy razor blade, as you guys can see. We got the wire in the hands. We're unplugged, so we're not live. You ain't got to worry about getting zapped or nothing. Alrighty. Directions tell you which one's which. You got it?
Wait.
White's on the right. Did you follow it to the right? Nah, it flipped around, dude. Right here. Okay, right side, that's white. You sure it goes on that one?
Yeah.
Let's get our direction pamphlet. It fell back here. Take a look at this puppy. This is literally the only thing you guys need to know in this direction is right here. Green goes to green. The silver screw goes to white or gray. And then your brass screw goes to your hot wire, it looks like.
Oh shit, I lost it.
Fuck, Scooter lost a screw.
No, I didn't lose a screw. I lost the screw.
God damn it, Scooter.
Oh, this one's right.
Are you sure? You don't want to fuck it up, man.
Yeah.
We're trying to show these folks how to do it the proper way. The right is white.
This one, right?
No,
This one?
that's white, yeah.
Oh, this is white? Okay.
Scooter don't even know what the fuck's going on. So you guys seen that white to the silver screw?
Oops.
I got it. So basically you stick that shit in there like that and you torque it down like a mofo. Okay guys? Scooter's gonna hold it, torquing it, torquing it, torquing it. The rustier the better. We're doing it the proper way with the rusty driver. That's how you do shit out on the farm. Leroy fixing shit. You guys don't know what we're going to be fixing this week. Now we're going green for ground. You guys don't know what green for ground is. You need to go back to freaking kindergarten. By the way, this was a 2-beer project. I forgot to display the Bud Lights we're drinking, but this is about a 2-beer project if you guys are looking time-wise, time frame. Takes about 2 beers to get through what you think you need to do. And now we're going to be hooking up the hot wire next. Scooter's going to zap his dick off with it. Watch this.
No, these aren't even live.
You want to hold it? So like I said, the rustier the better for the screwdriver. You guys want to make sure it looks like you know what you're doing. It looks like you're doing it right. We ain't got to worry about the old lady coming out here yet, so we're good on that.
Oh, you know what we forgot? This piece.
Oh, Scooter, god damn it. Alright, so this is what you guys are not supposed to do, okay? This is not only a video to show you what to do, this is a video to show you how to not do it. So in the first place, we didn't do it properly. You guys watched the video, you're seeing it right now. You got to take every last goddamn screw out, pull them back out the hole. I'm gonna have to put this camera down for a minute so Scooter can show you guys. I got to get me another beer. Here you go, Scooter. Show the crew there. Here we go.
With the white.
Alright, so like you said, you missed step one. You slide that little thing on the plate first. You got the right cords on it?
Yeah.
You need me to tell you what's what? This is white. You already got hooked up, right? Yeah. Okay.
that up. Make sure these are pretty tight. Alright. Pop this out.
Sorry about the AC, guys. We got 2 air conditioners right here. There ain't no way we could have done it without the ACs going. Scooter's just putting in the brass screws right now. And we got these other 2 here we're going to put on to just clamp it all together. Keep it tight. Tight like a tiger. Alright, one more screw to go after this. Alright. There you have it. Now you pop the little cover up. And we're fucked. We didn't think about it that way. We need a different fucking plug. Shit. Pull that one out and plug it in the other hole. See if it works. Do the other one on the bottom. And that's how you fix that shit, folks. You see that? That's fucking called redneck engineering at its finest. So now we got a brand new cord if you look at it that way. And how much did it cost us? $1.50, because we already had the rusty screwdriver, the shitty blade, and the nice pair of tin snips. So now what I want you guys to do after you finish a project like this, you make sure you dispose of this blade properly. The only way to dispose of a blade is to put it in a 16-ounce Bud Light can, like that. That way nobody, oh I'm sorry, this is a 12-ouncer. I thought it was bigger, but it worked. So that makes sure nobody gets hurt. You take these tin snips, you throw them in your bin for later. Take your rusty screwdriver and put it right next to the filter we changed yesterday, and that's all you do. You guys are done. So now we're live, we're juiced, we're good to go. We basically got a brand new damn cord for $1.50.
You gotta test it.
Yeah, we don't need to test it, it'll come on. When we do it here on Leroy FixinShits, we do it the proper way the first time. So you just tighten this back down like so. I don't need that there, Scooter. We do it hand tight out here in the woods. And that's it, guys. So like I said, if you all like the content, if you like the videos, you like everything we're doing here, we're basically here just to show you guys how to fix shit at your house for free or cheap as possible. You ain't got to pay nobody. You ain't got to have them come out. You know, we got a brand new plug underneath our weatherproof cover on our shitty old water system. But guess what? $1.50, $2, we're done. That's it, guys. So if you like the content, please like and subscribe. This is called Leroy FixinShit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt, and I'll see you guys in the next video, alright? Say bye, Mr. Scooter McQueen. Bye.